Good evening. Welcome back to the Thermodynamics basics. Most of the time these problems are coming repeatedly in the exams. So one more problem, small problem, we'll calculate first. Then we'll go for the lattice enthalpy. The question is calculate the heat of combustion. Heat of combustion. Combustion of methane. From the following data, there are three equations given. The first equation is C plus H2, that is 2H2, heat of formation CH4. Energy is minus 74.8 kilojoules. Equation number 2 is C plus O2, carbon dioxide, heat of formation minus 393.5 kilojoules. Number 3 equation is formation of water. Hydrogen plus half oxygen equal to H2O, that is minus 286.2 kilojoules. Now these three equations given, and the question is heat of combustion of the methane. Heat of combustion means immediately you have to write left side CH4 only should be there, and oxygen can be anything, any amount. Then you should get CO2 and H2. This is the equation, and for this equation we are supposed to get the value. CH4 CO2 2, so it will be 2 plus 2, then it will be 2O2. It's a balanced equation, right? This is what we want from the above three equations. If you see carefully very fast, multiply it with equation number 3 by 2, you will get the 2H2O right side. So I am multiplying equation number 3 by 2 times, means 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O minus 286 multiplied with the 2 equal to 472.4. This is equation number 5. What we want is the 4 equation value. This is 5 we take. Now if I am adding CO2 will be the right side, and water, so I am adding the 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 if I am adding, C plus O2 plus 5 equation is 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O, and these two values 572 plus 393 equal to 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 900, 0.9 is the last digit, 2 plus 3 5, 7 plus 9 6, 965 minus value. This is the that. Now if I am deducting number 1 from this equation, I think we will get the answer. So deduct the number 6 equation, if you take 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 if you take, C cancel, H2 cancel, O2 gives 2O2 left side. Okay, right side is CH4 minus, because this is minus CH4 plus CO2 plus 2H2O, and value is 965 minus 74. 65 minus 74, roughly 891 roughly minus. So rearrange the equation, then you are getting the equation that is nothing but CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 and 2H2. Answer is minus 891 kilojoules. Fine. So only thing is what you want, you have to see the left side and right sides, and these questions are coming more frequently in sites or in the public exams. Or fine. Next we will see what we have left, or what we is interesting is the Haber cycle or lattice enthalpy. A simple equation. Everybody, sodium is the liquid metal, soft metal, not liquid metal, soft metal, and chlorine is a poisonous gas. chlorine plus half Cl2. The equation everybody writes sodium chloride salt formation. Now interesting is the many things are involved in this. Please see carefully. What I have to do first? Sodium is actually solid, chlorine is a gas. So I am taking at what place? Sodium solid and half chlorine gas I am taking. I am supposed to take. Then sodium solid to sodium gas I am making first step. Sodium gas, that is called sublimation. Delta H sublimation. Now it has become sodium gas and already available is chlorine gas. Now from sodium gas we are taking out one electron, that is called ionization. Delta H ionization. That means making sodium plus. Okay, then half chlorine is as it is chlorine gas. From chlorine gas we are making further to chlorine atom. That is called dissociation or the bond energy. Then what we are receiving? Sodium gas, sodium plus electron is already there, electron, and chlorine gas, atom, elemental. Then electron is adding to the chlorine, then sodium plus chloride ion gas, both are gases formed. Then both are reacting and forming the lattice energy. Lattice energy cannot be found by practically. It is to be calculated theoretically only. That is the reason we are going by Haber cycle and all these things. Lattice energy, lattice enthalpy cannot be calculated practically. It is to be calculated theoretically only. Now sodium chloride, what we want is received. Here directly formation energy is there. So if you are adding all together as per the Hess law, that means first is the sublimation, then ionization, then chlorine is the half bond cleavage, then sodium is ionized and electron is available, chlorine as atom, chlorine atom to chloride atom. So sodium sodium Na plus gas and chloride minus gas, then begin to sodium chloride. Finally the entire this thing you will get a lattice energy. Lattice energy will be normally positive enthalpy. This is the user in the way. Lattice enthalpy is nothing but an ionic compound is the enthalpy change which occurs when 1 mole of ionic compound dissociates into ions and gas state and forming transfer of electrons and all these things. So steps: close C, sublimation, ionization, and the dissociation, then electron gaining. This is called delta H gaining. Then the lattice formation. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go for the new chapter. Thank you very much.